Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. As usual, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The US dollar is extending weakness for a few weeks in a row. Its index that tracks the greenback's dynamic against a basket of 6 major currencies sank to the level last seen in April 2018. The catalyst for sell-offs of the US dollar is growing appetite for riskier assets, boosted by vaccine news. Earlier this week, the UK became the first country in the world to approve the Pfizer-BioNTech coronavirus vaccine, paving the way for mass vaccination from next week. Investors are certain that the vaccination campaign worldwide will set the stage for the global economic recovery. Meanwhile, the euro-dollar pair has hit the strongest level in 2.5 years, having surpassed the psychological level of 1.20. What are further prospects of the most popular currency pair? Let's ask our technical expert Peter Yakimovic. Hi, Peter.
Hello dear traders. On the euro-dollar, we got a strong upside breakout from the multi-week balancing process, and obviously the larger time frame traders kicked in on the market, and there is plenty potential for the further upside in the next period, and actually during December. I expect that a whole new upcycle started with this breakout of the multi-week balance, and that buying opportunities will be preferable, and my expectation is that euro can even trade towards the 1.2350, 1.2400 level. But the first upside target, I will say, is set at the 1.2230, and then the second target eventually 1.2350 and 1.2400. Again, the main cause for this upside breakout was definitely the weekly time frame kicked in, and we got upside continuation of the previous upside trend on the weekly time frame and on the previous balancing process on the most recent week. So I think that we got a strong breakout and the whole new upcycle actually started on the euro dollar. So buying opportunities on the pullbacks will be my preference and my expectation for the next period on the euro dollar.
Is the pound sterling taking advantage of the US dollar's weakness?
On the British pound versus US dollar, it is pretty much a similar scenario. Basically, the weekly time frame kicked in. Overall, the dollar, like a currency pair, dollar index is going lower. There is a strong downward trend on the dollar. So I don't see any kind of reversal as well, meaning that pound dollars can also trade higher. And I would say that pound dollar is approaching the key pivot level, and in my opinion, decision level at the 1.3510. So mark this level on your chart, because this is a multi-week pivot high. And if there will be anything to the upside, I will watch for the breakout of this 1.3510 and eventually new momentum on the upside. And that if I see that breakout can sustain to the upside, there is a definitely sign that pound can even try to test 1.3800 level, which is the next upside reference point based on the daily and weekly time frame. So again, key pivot level 1.3510. So far, it looks like the weekly time frame kicked in and the buyers are actually stepped in. So watch for further upside continuation on this currency pair.
Traditionally, let's finish our link up with your comments on gold.
On the gold, what I'm seeing basically is watching the daily and weekly time frame is obviously that we got a second leg on the gold, but the key support at the 1,750. So that level at the 1,750 was basically the previous balancing top, and that level served like a good support, and we got a stronger rotation upside this week. So my expectation is that there is a chance that on the daily and the weekly time frame that we completed the ABC downward correction based on the previous upcycle. I see that this is an ABC completed downside correction. There is a potential for that, and obviously if this is the case, I can see the gold to trade higher towards the 1,961 level and 2,050 level, which are the levels based on the previous price action on the daily and weekly time frame. So again, there is a potential for completion of this ABC and potential upside continuation on the weekly time frame. So buying opportunities will be preferable on under this condition on the Gulf.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations as always. See you next week. You've watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.